Next we have, ooh, spooky. I want to say one thing though. Immediately after I put up the teaser image, the announcement image, because it was such a narrow, tall image, it was like cropped. And I think it was this area that was like highlighted on Twitter. And I show my phone to Jenma, who was sitting next to me, and I noticed something looks like a pee-pee. And Jenma was like, no, I don't know what you're talking about. And I'm like, no, I'm sure I will not be the only one who sees it. What happened? Why? Will Wawa end up having a new attachment or not? We will see soon.